Time I'm in the street, I hear
Gravy make a splash like Pippin.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hey guys, and welcome back to Makeup by Ewan. And today, in this video, I have, in my opinion, I feel like I say this every single video, but I think I have quite a good, fun and fresh video idea. And you might be wondering, what is that video idea? And that video idea is recreating some popular makeup TikToks. You got that right. I think I'm going to be recreating 3 different makeup TikToks, and the first one is going to be by Queen Antonio Garza. So let's just watch it.
every time I'm in the street, I hear
Gravy make a splash like Pippin.
So basically, if you don't understand what that kind of TikTok is, it's a makeup transformation. So that is basically what I'm going to be doing. And just to put a spin on this, I'm actually going to be like, I'm not going to be doing my nails, but I'm going to be putting stuff on my nails to make it look like I kind of have nail extensions. It's not going to look like that at all, but I'm hoping in the TikTok it'll come across as that. As you can see here, Antonio has light purpley blue nails on her pinky finger and then black nails on her pointer finger. So to do this, I'm going to be using card, and I'm just going to cut it out and make it and put it on my finger basically. Here's the paper. First things first, I'm just going to like cut it out to be quite long because I'm pretty sure Antonio has long nails. That is what that one is looking like. I'm just going to be painting that black with a black marker. I think I'm just going to try and stick that on with eyelash glue. Is it going to work? Probably not. I'm going to finesse that, if you ask me. It's actually tragic. But
don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Now time for my pinky. Is that your index finger? I'm not actually even too sure. Okay, so that is the pinky one done. And I'm just going to be colouring it with a purple Sharpie. So that is the DIY part of this video completed. Not much to say, they're just like basically look like fake nails. They're probably going to fall off in like 2.5 seconds, but what can do about it? So I think we right now need to film the first bit of the video, which is just Antonio with her hoodie on, like that. So that was a lot harder than it had to be. I'm just going to duet it.
every time I'm in the street, I hear
I don't even know if that's good enough. I'm just going to shoot like the rest of the thing to see if it's good enough.
every time I'm in the street, I hear
Gravy make a splash like Pippin.
Yep, that'll do. I'm just going to save that to my draft.
every time.
So first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows, because that's what I do first. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown. I will be back once I have finished that. Guys, so that is my eyebrows done. Now it is time for the eyeliner. As a base for the eyeliner, I'm just going to be using Tarte Shape Tape in 16N. Setting that with this light peachy white shade out of the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. To make the winged eyeliner sharp, I'm just going to be using tape. For the eyeliner, I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick. Okay, so that is the eyeliner done to the best of my abilities. Because don't get me wrong, this probably looks like absolute poo to some people because I do not know how to do eyeliner. But now it is time for foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be using a mix of the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation and the CYO Long Lasting Lifeproof Foundation. Doing concealer, again using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Okay, so right now I'm just going to be setting my face with the Wet n Wild Contouring Duo palette with this shade here. Going to be taking my mascara Revolution by Makeup Revolution. Now I'm just going to be contouring with the, again, the Wet n Wild palette, but this shade. I'm just going to be using a mix of the Revolution True Gold Pearl Lights highlighter and the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. I'm pretty sure Antonio is wearing nothing on her lips, so I'm just going to take this foundation off. Just to set that all in place, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus in Goldlite. I'm just going to re-stick my nails on and then we'll be ready for the end of it. So now it is time to finish off the TikTok. Okay guys, so I just finished the TikTok and oh my god, that last bit took so long to perfect, and it's not even perfect, like, let me just tell you that right now. This is it.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear
Gravy make it splash like Pippin.
Hey guys, I'm back and I've taken my makeup off, but I just thought I will film the outro now. I just want to say I hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was quite fun to film. If you want me to recreate another TikTok makeup transformation, then give this video a thumbs up. And to support my channel, please subscribe down below. And also you can comment some video ideas also down below. And I guess I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that. Stop. Oh my God.